Free fall. A dull, heavy thud rips through the air. A massive slab of muscle slams down. The crushing pressure overloads the piglet's nervous system. It drops into a state of neural freeze, fully paralyzed, surrendered to fate. But the shrill squeal a moment earlier has triggered a weapon more terrifying than any claw. A mother's instinct. From the brush, a sledgehammer comes flying, knocking the hunting machine clean off the tiny young. The balance shifts. The jaguar recovers its footing. The killer's eyes move to a new target, the mother sow. The mother grits and endures, using her own body weight to block the path, refusing absolutely to let the enemy circle behind her back, where the piglet lies curled and trembling. The mother is spent. The jaguar seizes the moment, lunging hard, forcing the sow to her knees on the hard ground, jaws gaping straight at the nape. The scythe of death is at her throat. A dry branch snaps. Reinforcements have arrived. The father boar tears through the leaf litter in a frenzy, charging straight into the fray to rescue his mate. But nature is no fairy tale. The boar may carry weapons, but the jaguar is a master of fluid motion. It slips past the clumsy charges with ease. The gap in speed speaks at once. The jaguar cuts to the flank. Striking air and losing momentum, the boar staggers, his breath ragged. In the moment that seems most hopeless of all, the mother lets out a low, guttural roar. With extraordinary will, that bleeding body wobbles upright, grits through the pain, and steps up shoulder to shoulder with the father. Pure aggression has now evolved into a flawless survival tactic. Shield